Now that we added this blockchain verification, there's still one thing I promised you which I haven't done yet. Show you an alternative to break here when we choose to quit our loop. Right now we still have an infinite loop and we use break to get out of it, and that's fine. But now that we also got another place where we use break, maybe here I can show an alternative. The alternative is that we use a real condition in the while loop. We can do that. To do that, I first of all need a variable, and I'll add it right in front of the while loop. So this is not inside of this function, it's not inside of a loop, it's just in our file. So in here, I will add waiting for input and set it to true. And I will use waiting for input as a input for my while loop now. Now the good thing is, since I don't hard code true in here anymore, whenever we change this variable, we actually can get out of the while loop, when we change it to false at least. So now what we can do is, we can go to our elif case here, and instead of breaking, I can just set waiting for input to false. This will change this variable, and if that variable is changed, we get out of the while loop. So now let's again execute our code here. Let's add a value, and if I choose Q for quit, you see we're getting out of the loop, we're done, but this time with a real condition using this variable in our while loop. And this of course is a nice way, and also a way you see quite a lot. You don't have infinite loop that often. Most of the time you use some condition here, some function you call which returns true or false, or some variable which contains true or false.